Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Janelle. If you're in a bad mood, low energy, just not feeling like yourself, walk with me for the next 10 minutes and I promise you, you're gonna feel better. Let's go ahead and start. Let's reset that energy. Let's just start with some marches. Now I promise you, this is probably not gonna be what you wanna do right now. You're probably gonna wanna just sit on the couch, sit in your bed, sit somewhere and think about how you're in a bad mood, had a bad day, this and that. But let me tell you, I promise you, you're gonna feel better if you do this. First goal of today is we're gonna just reset that energy. I don't know about you, but I think I'm starting to feel just a little bit better. All right, let's build up that energy just a little bit. Lift those knees, add in a pull down. Yes. Give it a little bit of a crunch. Feel those abs engage. Oh yes. We're on the right track. Let me know if that mood is starting to shift. Tell me in the comments. Give me a heart. Give me a clap. Give me an emoji. I know I'm starting to feel a little better. I don't know about you, but do you feel this in your booty? Woo! Oh yeah, this is getting my blood flowing. Okay. Oh yes. You can't do this and not feel good. There's no way. There's no way. Stick with me. You're doing great. Going into the grapevine, one of my absolute favorite movements. It's another one. You can't do this and not feel good. You just can't. Add in a little clap, add in a little boogie. Have some fun. Everybody has bad days. Everybody gets in a bad mood. What's important is how you handle it. Finish strong. We're almost there. Finish with a little fast step. You can do it. Go as fast as you can. Whatever your body can tolerate is fine. Go. Bad mood, gone. Bad day, gone. Who's mad? Sad. Not me. Go. Not you. Go. Finish. You can do it. Hang in there. Give it all you got. Woo! Whew. Okay, you did it. Comment done if you feel just 1% better, okay? Because I think you do. I sure do. If you want to do a little cool down, just do some light steps. Now I want you to save this video and you come back to it anytime you're feeling a little bit off, a little bit down. You come and do this video, okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that bell whenever I do new videos. Sometimes there's surprises at the end. New videos every single Sunday. I'm proud of you for showing up for yourself today. You did good.